Today, we will be taking a look at the best metal detectors you can buy today. We're going to be showing you the top 5 metal detectors based on price, durability, weight, and more. And as usual, we have the links to all the metal detectors mentioned in this video in the description below. And be sure to subscribe for new content and drop a like below. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. Technetics T2 Classic. The Technetics T2 Classic is a great choice. It's a 13 kHz VLF detector with great sensitivity and a large screen, so it provides outstanding value for the money. The T2 is also versatile and easy to use. The first thing you'll notice about the T2 is that it has a large LCD screen. This isn't backlit, which makes it less convenient in low light conditions, but has a 2-digit target ID along with a simple menu system. The T2 Classic provides a range of features including a manual ground balance, all metal and discriminate operating modes, and sensitivity setting. The double filter discrimination modes are great for hunting in trash-ridden areas. It doesn't include an automatic ground balance though, which makes it less suitable for beginners. Along with its powerful detection, fast response times, and discrimination, the T2 Classic also provides outstanding depth. It can detect coins buried up to 15 inches deep, which is much deeper than many detectors in this price range. Like most modern detectors, the coils are waterproof, so they can be used in shallow water. The control box isn't waterproof though, so the machine isn't submersible. In summary, the Technetics T2 Classic is a great choice for relic hunting, but it's also a versatile machine that can even handle basic gold hunting. If you want a relic hunting detector that can search deeper than most alternatives, the T2 Classic is definitely an option to consider. Number 4. Fisher F75. The Fisher F75 is an excellent alternative. It's much cheaper than the Deus, but is still comfortable to use and provides a wide range of useful features. Let's start with the machine itself. At 3.5 pounds, it's not the lightest detector on the market, but it isn't too heavy to carry. It's also well balanced, so you won't have trouble swinging it for long hunting sessions. The F75 is a VLF detector with a 13 kHz frequency. This is slightly higher than the entry-level models on the list, but still suitable for coin hunting while being perfect for relics. Most importantly, the detector does a great job of finding relics and coins even in iron-infested areas. This is due to the dual filter discrimination modes, which allows you to ignore iron signals. Whether you're hunting in woodland, parks, or almost anywhere else, the F75 provides great discrimination and depth. There are also a number of features and settings for advanced users. Both automatic and manual ground balance modes are included, depending on how much control you need. The 11-inch search coil is larger than those found on cheaper models, so you can hunt larger areas in less time. It also comes with an all-metal mode, fast response time, iron tone setting, and a large backlit LCD screen, including a 2-digit target ID display. It's hard to find much to criticize about the F75. The lack of a waterproof control box means it's not suitable for hunting in deep water or when diving, but that's to be expected with a standard VLF detector. If you want to hunt underwater, however, this isn't the right option. To summarize, the Fisher F75 is an outstanding metal detector. It doesn't have the advanced features of the XP Deus, as it's a single frequency detector without wireless technology. But for hunting relics and coins, it provides excellent sensitivity, depth, and discrimination, even in environments filled with iron trash. Number 3. Garrett Ace 400. The The Ace 400 has a full digital target ID. The scales range from 0 to 99, with foil and iron registering at the lower end. This is one of the reasons I recommend the 400 over the cheaper Ace 350, as a lower price model only has a basic visual ID function. For beginners who might find the ID scale daunting, there is still the visual ID option with segments for copper, iron, gold, and other metals. You'll want to get a feel for the ID system as soon as possible for a more accurate identification though. The Ace 400 comes with a variety of other features. Garrett's excellent iron audio is included, which isn't found on the cheaper metal detectors. If you've ever used this function before, it allows you to hear discriminated iron targets, which helps filter out ghost signals. There is also a 3-tone audio system, pulse width modulation for sharper signals, and a waterproof search coil. You can create custom notch discrimination patterns, although beginners might feel more comfortable using one of the 5 preset modes. Most importantly, the Garrett Ace 400 is highly sensitive and great for finding targets. It also does a good job of discriminating junk, so you'll waste less time on unwanted items. There are some drawbacks though. There's no manual or automatic ground balance, so you need to rely on the preset settings. This can be a problem in wet sand or mineral-rich soil. I can't complain about this feature too much, however, as there aren't many metal detectors in this price range with adjustable ground balance. It's also worth noting that the Ace 400 is not submersible, only the coil is waterproof. Despite these issues, if you're looking for a beginner metal detector that's a step up from the Fisher F22, which we're going to be talking about soon, and provides great value, the Ace 400 is an excellent choice. Number 2. Fisher F22. The Fisher F22 is a VLF machine with a weather-resistant design. It has a fast recovery speed, is relatively lightweight, 2.3 pounds, and comes with 10 sensitivity levels. The F22 also has a respectable maximum underground detection depth of 9 inches, although this depends on the type of soil. Fisher has included several preset modes with the F22. These include jewelry, artifact, coin, and custom modes. When you're getting started, these presets can be extremely useful. Like most modern detectors, the F22 has a digital screen, so it's easier to see what you're detecting. The depth gauge is a useful feature, even though it isn't 100% accurate. There's also a pinpointer mode, although you'll probably want to buy a dedicated pinpointer once you have more experience. Most importantly, for an entry-level detector, the F22 makes it easy to start hunting without sacrificing too many features. Despite the relative simplicity, it still has notch, sensitivity, and discrimination, along with an iron audio feature that allows you to set the volume of iron targets for greater clarity. There's also a 2-digit target ID, 1 through 99. Target identification numbers provide a guide as to what metal has been found, which can be a huge time saver by helping you avoid duds in trashy areas. In other words, this is much more than a toy detector, but you won't spend weeks learning how to use it either. Of course, there are trade-offs to buying an entry-level machine. It is weatherproof, but not waterproof. It's fine to submerge the coils, but the control box should not be placed in water. The operating frequency is 7.69 kHz, is great for coins and relics, but is not suitable for gold. For that, you'll need a dedicated gold prospecting detector. The bigger issue is the lack of a manual ground balance setting. While this isn't a problem when you're a beginner, at some point you'll want more control over the ground balance, especially in environments with heavy mineralization. On the other hand, the lack of manual ground balance makes the detector easier to use, so for beginners, it's still a great choice. With a list price of just $289, the F22 is firmly within the entry-level category, but it provides surprisingly strong performance. Fisher also offers a generous 5-year warranty. So, if you're looking for an entry-level machine without breaking the bank, the F22 is a no-brainer. Number 1. XP Deus. The XP Deus is our top all-around pick. The Deus is a multi-frequency detector with a range of advanced features. It's not cheap, but if you can afford it, you won't be disappointed. Firstly, the XP Deus is a wireless detector. The remote control, headphones, and coil all communicate via radio signal, which eliminates the need for a wire connections. Perhaps more importantly, the coil itself contains a digital circuit for processing and analyzing detection signals, which increases signal quality and allows for better detection sensitivity. It's a multi-frequency detector with options for 4 kHz, 8 kHz, 12 kHz, and 18 kHz, along with a plus-minus shift. This means it's suitable for a wide range of applications, including relic, coin, and even beach hunting. The Deus is also an option for gold prospecting. As you would expect from a high-end multi-frequency detector, it has a range of settings and features. These include sensitivity, audio response, reactivity, iron level, discrimination, and audio response. There's also a notch option for defining detection ranges. The reactivity of the Deus is one of the biggest selling points. The recovery speed is outstanding, which allows you to locate multiple objects rather than just a single signal. XP even recommends re-hunting your previous locations with the Deus, as the excellent reactivity may allow you to find objects that were partially masked to other detectors. The range of detection options is one of XP Deus's primary strength. If you want a single detector that can find almost any type of target, it's one of the best on the market. While the presets are excellent, advanced users will love the customization options. The near infinite number of custom setups allows you to tailor the Deus to your exact requirements. Additionally, the weatherproof headphones, either WS4 or WS5, can be used to control many of the detector's functions. These include ground balance, sensitivity, discrimination, volume, and frequency. Aside from its excellent features and modern technology, XP has put a lot of thought into making the Deus enjoyable to use. The wireless design is a bonus, but I particularly like how lightweight it is. The menus are also intuitive, although you'll probably want to practice at home as there are a lot of settings to adjust. Thanks for watching, and help us reach 100,000 subscribers by clicking the subscribe button below.